Does your child have a persistent cough that won't go away? This simple remedy will bring relief in just minutes. All you need is an orange. First, cut off the top and scoop out the pulp. Oranges are a natural remedy for coughs as they help reduce bronchial inflammation. If your child is under 5, add a pinch of salt. If they're older, add half a teaspoon. Next, place the orange on the stove to heat. Let it simmer for a few seconds until it starts to boil, then remove from the heat. After it cools for a minute, add a spoonful of honey for its soothing properties. Give this remedy to your child in the morning and at night for 3 days and watch their cough disappear. If you want 50 more juice recipes for energy, glowing skin, and better digestion, I put them all in an ebook. The link's in my bio. If you like this natural laxative recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.